With ClickUp's white label feature on the Enterprise plan, you can customize your workspace to stay on brand both internally and externally. Enterprise plans can take their branded experience to the next level with customizable workspace logos, colors, URLs, and more. To get started, make sure you're an owner or an admin on the Enterprise plan. Head to your workspace settings and toggle on White Label. From here, you'll have the option to upload 3 different assets to brand ClickUp. The round logo will represent your workspace's avatar, right next to your personal member avatar. With the rectangle logo, you can add branding to your workspace logo, login page, emails, and on publicly shared links, such as docs and dashboards. You can even set the preview image for links shared from ClickUp by adding a social media graphic. You also have the ability to choose the default color theme for the entire workspace. Individual members will still have the power to select their own color theme for their personal workspaces. Take branding to the next level by creating your own custom subdomain for your workspace. Type in your own personalized subdomain, save your changes, and then you'll be redirected to log in via your new URL. With this enabled, any publicly shared docs and forms will also use your exclusive URL. Now, you can take control of your workspace with a personalized, branded experience like never before. That's it for white labeling on the Enterprise plan, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at help@clickup.com.